Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, today we saw a very good pullback in the market. And yeah, Bank Nifty ending up 1%, Nifty ending up almost 1.4%. And yeah, what can we expect for tomorrow? Is this sell-off gonna continue? Is this just a pullback, or is this the start of a new buying momentum from here, right? So simply, first of all, we'll see the daily chart of how the daily chart looks, right? And then we'll go into the smaller time frames and exactly see from where can we buy, where can we sell. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the EMA so the chart becomes clean. Yes, so from here, as you can see, this we made three candles, and now this looks like a pullback, right? This is a green candle because all the people who would have shorted over here, they started squaring off their position. So this is the so green candle gets made over here, right? Because of that. Now what could happen is that there are two scenarios. Either the buyers who made their positions today, they will hold on to their positions if we start moving up from here, and if or the buyers will get panicked who would have created their positions today if we start moving down from here, right? So very simply speaking, until now this looks like a pullback only, right? The closing that Bank Nifty and Nifty have given are pretty bullish, so this may also not be a pullback, but tomorrow could be a pretty interesting day because of that. Tomorrow could be a pretty volatile day, to say. But if we open with a gap up, right? Because by if we open with a gap up, all the sellers would want to square off their positions who would have created their positions in the previous downtrend. I'm just gonna show you guys. Yeah, over here, all the sellers who would have created the positions over here, they would want to they will kind of start squaring off their positions because their profit is going out from their hand. And all the buyers, who would have created the positions today, they would want to square out their positions also, because 43,000 is near, 42,800, 43,000. We also have 15 EMA, 200 EMA, and 200 moving averages in 15 minutes over here. So there are pretty good resistances on the upside. So buyers would also want to square off their positions over here. So tomorrow could be a little bit volatile if we open with a gap up near 42,700. But nonetheless, if we open with a gap up, I'm expecting at least a little bit of momentum till like 42,900, or some level, at least some 200 point momentum with a little bit of volatility in Bank Nifty. So tomorrow, if we open with any sort of a gap up near 42,700, 42,650, wait for a 5-minute closing above 42,700. If we do get that, then you guys can go ahead and take a buy position over here. Although do keep your positions light over here, because this is a volatile zone. There are resistances on the upside and there are supports on the downside. But yeah, this is a volatile zone, so do keep your positions light over here, at least for the time being, until we get a clear trend in a day or two, right? So tomorrow, if we get a 5-minute closing above 42,710, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade over here. Your first target can easily become 42,900 on the upside. Yeah, because 43,000 is near, so we would want to square off our positions near 42,900 or 42,950 on the upside, right? On the downside, very simple. If you would have taken keep yourself in a position of the buyer. If you would have been a buyer today, right? If you would have been a buyer, you would have bought the position, thinking that, okay, I'll keep my stop loss very small over here. If you would have, say, bought over here, I'll keep my stop loss very small. Tomorrow, if the market goes down from here, I'll square off my position and get the hell out, right? So simply speaking, buyers are now, this is not a zone where buyers will be aggressive. This is the zone where sellers will be aggressive, right? So tomorrow, if we start crossing 42,400 on the downside, if we even start crossing over here, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade, take a bearish trade. And I think we can expect at least 42,000 for tomorrow pretty easily, because then this will be just a pullback, and the selling will start continuing again on the downside very easily, and we can expect easily 42,000 to come tomorrow. Speaking of Nifty looks a little bit more bullish. If you see, I mean, continuous green candles in the first half, then there was a sell off, and then there was a good buying in the end again. So Nifty looks a little bit more bullish over here. So what you can do in Nifty is very simple. Above 18,140 is where you guys can go ahead and take a trade. Your first target can easily become 18,240 to 250 on the upside, right? If we open with a small gap up, if we do open with a very big gap up, there is 18,200, right? So things could get a little bit volatile. Then I would not recommend you guys to take a trade over here. What could happen is that your SLs might get hit. There might be an up move also, but your stop losses might get hit because of the volatility. On the downside, same as with Nifty. As is the case with Nifty, once we go below 18,030, which is the previous swing, then you guys can go ahead and take a trade over here. Your first target can easily become 17,950. I'm not expecting Nifty to take a support over here. Your first target can become 17,950. Then you can book partial profit and keep the rest of the position for profit booking or for gap filling till 17,880 to 890 on the downside. And yeah, we are also going to talk about Fin Nifty because tomorrow is the Fin Nifty expiry, and I know some of you guys do trade Fin Nifty expiry also, right? So tomorrow, if you see, Fin Nifty also looks in the same position as Nifty. There was a good buying in the end again. So for Fin Nifty, things are looking good above 18,800. Once we start moving above 18,800, then you guys can go ahead and expect at least a little bit of momentum, as I said, as in Nifty, 50 to 60 point momentum on the upside, which, as I said, would also happen in Nifty. If we go above 18,140, you guys can expect at least 18,200. Although I'm expecting Nifty to go till 18,240, but for Fin Nifty, I'm expecting things to be a little bit less bullish than Nifty. So you guys above 18,840, you guys can expect a little bit of momentum till like 18,850 to 18,860 on the upside, right? On the downside, as I said, same scenario as with Nifty and Bank Nifty, same in Fin Nifty. Below 18,650 is when you guys can go aggressively short in Fin Nifty. Your first target can easily become 18,500 on the downside. Very easy target. I think we are going to see a very, very good momentum. So you guys can go ahead and buy puts over here and hold it till 18,500 on the downside. Although it would be very good if this breakdown happened after the first hour of the market opening, because what happens in Fin Nifty on the expiry day is that a lot of premium decay happens in the first hour, and then the decay kind of slows down till the end. So if the breakdown happens after the first hour, then it would be more better for the put option buyers, because then the put options would have lost a lot of value. So you can you can keep a stop loss small, but you can keep a very, very good target on the downside of 18,500. So I guess that was it for today. I hope you guys liked my video, and yeah, thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.